We're a bit stuck. There's an alligator blocking our path.
An alligator? That sounds serious. They can be very dangerous.
Is there anything you can do to help us get past it?
Let me see. That's interesting.
What is it?
It says here alligators are far less active in the winter months, as they're cold-blooded reptiles who get their warmth from sunbathing.
Like turtles.
Exactly. According to this, if you're very careful, keep your distance, and don't make much noise, you should be able to get past it without any trouble.
Thanks, Jen. How's the Explorer?
All sorted. I managed to use the thrusters to hover us out of the swamp water. It was just a simple matter of recalibrating the directional controls and adjusting the water resistance as well as heat and pressure balance.
Brilliant. Nice one, Jen.
Thanks, Andy. And good luck finding a manatee.
Come on, Scout. We need to keep our distance and be quiet if we're going to get past this sleepy alligator. Phew! Safely past. Right, now to find a manatee. But we may not be able to spot one on the riverbed from up here. It's looking pretty deep. I think it might be time for a dip.
Activating underwater mode.
Uploading aquasuit. Great! Time to get wet.
Oh, look! A manatee! And not just one, there's two of them. A mother and a baby. Oh, don't they look incredible?
Affirmative.
Manatees are herbivores. That means they eat plants, not fish. They particularly like grazing on seagrass, which is probably why manatees are sometimes called sea cows. What's the temperature like, Scout?
Scanning. 17 degrees Celsius and dropping.
Oh, I wonder how they're going to keep warm. They look like they know where they're going. These manatees are definitely on a mission. Let's follow them.
Well, there's no sign of an armadillo, and now I'm completely lost. Oh, what was that? The Quanako are still fighting up there. If this tunnel collapses, I really will be trapped. Quick! I can see light ahead! Oh, that was close. Oh, hello, you two. It looks like this pair of burrowing owls are moving in. They often take over burrows left behind by other animals, too. Oh, I think they're making a few home improvements. Oh, but with these two moving in and those two still scrapping, I'm not sure that these tunnels are very safe. Oh, and I don't want to get buried. I'd better carry on looking for the armadillo above ground. There's another burrow over here, and it looks new. Maybe an armadillo still lives in this one. I'll hide over there. Then if an armadillo comes, I can take a photo without scaring it. All I need to do is stay alert. Oh no, the armadillo! I've missed it! Come back! I need to get your picture! Armadillos are really quick. I'm not even halfway up yet. Whoa! Hey, hello! It's a spider monkey. Whoa! Wish I could climb as well as he can. Spider monkeys have long prehensile tails. That means that they can grab onto branches easily. It's like having an extra arm. Great for climbing. Oh, look! They must be his brothers and sisters. Even spider monkeys need to learn to climb. These youngsters are practicing on these lower branches where it's not so far down if they fall. Oh, hang on a minute, little one. I don't think you should be climbing that high. Oh no, and Dad hasn't noticed. If he falls from the top of that tree, he could really hurt himself. I need to get up there to make sure he's okay.
Hi, Andy. Have you managed to find a mannequin?
Not yet, Jen. And I'm afraid I've got a baby spider monkey emergency at the moment. Any idea how I can quickly get to the top of the tree?
What about your backpack? You're always saying there's lots of useful things in there.
Great idea, Jen. I'll be back as soon as I can. Don't worry, I'm coming for you. A tape measure? How's this going to help me? Unless... Here goes. I hope this works. Oh, that was fun. Right then, little one. It's time to get you back down to your dad. No, not that way. Hold on. Oh, thank goodness for that prehensile tail. Hang on a minute. I think he's stuck. He can't reach another branch with his hands or feet. And if he lets go with his tail, he'll fall. Oh. We need some expert help. Dad! Dad, can you hear me? Up here! Your little one's in trouble! Yes! I think he heard me. Here he comes. Ah, nice one, Dad. He'll be safe now. Sounds like it's in the water. Come on, let's go take a look. If you thought that cats were scared of water, think again. Look at this bobcat go. Oh, a swimming bobcat will make a fantastic photo for Mr. Hammond. Just get it in focus. And... Oh! Whoa! Well, that didn't go to plan. Oh, hello. Whoa. Oh, that would have been a great picture. Oh, well. Better keep moving. Oh, look who's coming. Right. Oh, no. My gizmo's frozen. It must have happened when I fell in the water. Right. That should do it. Yeah. Ah, missed it. This wildlife photography is not easy. Right, I found it again. Ah, look at this. Bobcats often use their incredible hearing to hunt for small animals under the snow. Oh, this is going to be a fantastic picture. All right. Oh, no. Choo! I'm not sure I'm ever going to get these photos.
I think it's heading this way. Right. Any second now, it should. Pounce! Yes! Oh, and a little wash after dinner. Brilliant! These are great. The camera loves you, Bobcat.
Now, where would a troop of capuchin monkeys hang out? Let's try this one. I can hear them. Great! A whole troop of capuchin monkeys. This is going to be easier than I thought. I don't see any of them eating honey, though. I'd better follow them. I'll shrink down, then I can join the troop. To the size of a capuchin monkey. Great! Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. Anyone got any honey at all? No? Okay. How about you two? No? Oh, this little one's eating leaves and roots. I'm not sure Mr. Hammond would like those for his breakfast. Huh? Where's Mum going? Oh, maybe she's off to hunt for some honey. Come on. We're heading for the cliffs, which is a good sign, because bees like to build their nests in high up, hard-to-reach places. And where there are bees, there's honey. It's a long way up. Well, better get going. Oh, look at that little one. Wait for me. I'm just behind you. Hang on. Oh, these capuchins are just as good at rock climbing as they are at tree climbing. Onwards and upwards. Sideways. Oh, phew. I'm exhausted. Yes, I've made it.
According to my scans, you're flying above the Rocky Mountains in North America.
Great. Now all I have to do is find some mountain goats and let them lead me to some salty rocks.
Oh, good luck, Andy.
Thanks, Jen.
Going into land. This looks like a nice spot.
This is amazing. I can see for miles and miles here. Can't see any mountain goats, though. What was that? There it is. It's a pika. Pikas live on rocky slopes, and they eat flowers and other plants. Just like mountain goats do. I reckon wherever pikas go, mountain goats probably go too. I'm going to follow them. Hold on. It's another pika. Making an alarm call. And it seems to be looking at me. I think I better shrink down so I don't scare anyone. To the size of a pika. Great! Now, where did that pika go? Wait for me! Oh, that must be its burrow. No sign of any coatis. But I can see something else cute and furry. Otters! South American river otters. They're the biggest in the world. Some of them are almost as long as I am, which is why they're also known as giant otters. There's a whole family there, including a baby. Oh, a little giant otter. Oh, that's their alarm call. They must think that I'm a predator. It's okay, no need to be scared. They're not so sure about me. My name's Andy, and I come in peace. They're not scared of me. They're scared of the jaguar. Ooh, ooh. Wait for me. Ooh. These otters may be big, but they're no match for that jaguar. It's the top predator around here. Now the otters are making lots of noise to tell the jaguar that it's not going to get an easy meal. Oh, what's that's going on? Mom's able to get the baby back to safety. Oh, clever! Shoo! Go on, get out of it! Go on, move away! Yes! Well done, you lot. Great teamwork. Oh, excuse me. You've just dropped your banana. Whoa. Oh. That is one hungry youngster. Come on, let's take a closer look. Oh, I could get used to being the size of a marmoset. Look, this is the biggest banana I think I've ever seen. Right, time to take that photo. What was that? Cats! And I don't think they're going to like us being in their territory. Quick, run! Run! Calm down, Grouchy. Oh. At least the cats have stopped chasing us now. Oh, but where have the marmosets gone? They must be around here somewhere. Wait a minute. What's he doing up there? Oh, he's after more bananas. And if I'm going to get a picture, I need to be up there too. Come on. Those bananas still belong to someone. Cheeky monkey. Right, now's my chance to get a picture. All right, here we go. Oh, it's a bit too close. I'll just step back. Yes! It's the grizzly bears I've been looking for. Amazing. Don't worry, little buddy. You'll be safe here. I'm going to go follow them. It's hard to keep up. They seem to be heading towards those trees. Wonder what they're up to. Finally, I've caught up with them. What's it doing? She seems to be rubbing herself against the tree. Oh, now the cubs are having a go. They must be itchy. Hang on, look. There are others doing it too. How strange. Well, this is great to watch, but why? Of course! They're using the rough bark of the trees as a kind of hairbrush. That's what's helping them shed their winter coat. So what we need in the grizzly bear enclosure back at Safari World are trees with rough bark. The scratchier the better. All this scratching is making me feel itchy. I've got time for one little back rub before I go. Oh, that feels great. This is more like it. A whole beach full of South American sea lions. Now all I need to do is to follow one into the water and watch it hunting fish. Then I can finally see how much they like to eat. Anyone feeling a bit peckish? How about you, buddy? I bet you'd like a nice fish supper, wouldn't you? Well, they don't seem to be hungry, but at least they're not grumpy like those elephant seals. Hang on a minute. Is that what I think it is? It's a pup drinking her mother's milk. This is a good sign. It means that some of the mums should be off fishing pretty soon. They need to keep their strength up to produce all that milk. Look, there's one heading off right now. Wait for me! I need to know how much fish you eat! Time for a little change. I'm going for a swim! Now, where did that sea lion go? Ah, there it is! Hey, don't go so fast. I need to see you fishing. Wait for me. Well, I caught up with the sea lion and boy, has it found some fish. Anchovies, and there's thousands of them. This is amazing. No wonder Mr. Hammond wants to watch the sea lions hunting. Now all I have to do is count how many anchovies the sea lions eat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... Hang on. Slow down. Oh, this is impossible. Hello, little one. Actually, he's not that little. Even a newborn humpback whale is the size of a small car. Mum has her baby here, near the equator, where it's safe and warm. Then, as the calf grows, they'll travel north together to cooler waters, where there are lots of fish to eat. Oh, where's he off to? Of course. Humpback whales are mammals, not fish, which means they have to come to the surface to breathe air. They also come to the surface to play. Humpbacks love to jump out of the water. It's called breaching. Hey, you get me all wet. Oh, wait, I'm in the sea. I think I'll join in. I'll need to dive down deep, just like the humpbacks. Here we go! Race you to the surface! I'm not as good at it as my new friend. He made a much bigger splash. Oh, now you're just showing off. I'm not going to even try to do that. Huh? Wait, that's whale song. There must be a male nearby. Come on, let's investigate.
I better record it too. Whoa! There he is! An actual adult male humpback. Singing! Wow! Humpback whales can hear each other singing from over 100 miles away. But they don't have to today. He's right here. Oh, there's Mum. During the breeding season, males often sing to attract females. But this female already has a calf. So he'll have to keep on singing until he finds one who hasn't. It does mean I've finally got my recording. I'd better upload it to Jen straight away. Done. Time to go. Thanks for your help, humpbacks. Now, which way to the safari-mobile? Oh no, the currents have carried me miles out to sea. How am I going to get back to the beach? Oh, hello again. I don't suppose you have any ideas on how to get me back to the beach? Oh.
Well, that's one way to do it. Everything here is either brown or bright red. According to my gizmo, these are snow plants, and they have a brilliant way to live without sunlight. They get everything they need from the roots of the sequoia trees. Oh! It looks like I'm not the only one who wants a closer look at these little plants. It's an Anna's hummingbird. But I don't want to scare her off. So, activate shrink mode. Great! During the winter months, there's not much food for this hummingbird to eat, so this plant and other plants are essential for keeping it fed. When hummingbirds drink the nectar, they're also helping to spread the pollen of the snow plant, meaning these colourful plants will pop up all over the forest. I wonder if a better view will help me spot those missing bears. Maybe my new friend can give me a ride. Oh, she must have finished feeding. But with so little food around, I think this plant is too delicious a meal for it to stay quiet around here for very long. This one's male. He's a lot more colourful than the female. Hopefully he doesn't mind having a passenger whilst he's enjoying his snack. Do you mind if I get on? Ready when you are. Uh-oh. It's a rufous hummingbird. And it looks like it's after the nectar from these snow plants too. This could mean trouble. So if you don't mind, I'm just gonna get you. I better hold on tight. Hey, you two! Play nicely! You need to both learn how to share! Whoa! That wasn't quite the lift I had in mind. But at least it was a quick getaway. And I've got a much better view of the forest from up here. Thanks for the lift. I think I'll continue on foot from here, though. I'm not even halfway up yet. Whoa. Hey, hello. It's a spider monkey. Whoa. I wish I could climb as well as he can. Spider monkeys have long prehensile tails. That means that they can grab onto branches easily. It's like having an extra arm. Great for climbing. Oh, look! They must be his brothers and sisters. Even spider monkeys need to learn to climb. These youngsters are practicing on these lower branches where it's not so far down if they fall. Oh, hang on a minute, little one. I don't think you should be climbing that high. Oh, no, and Dad hasn't noticed. If he falls from the top of that tree, he could really hurt himself. I need to get up there to make sure he's okay.
Hi, Andy. Have you managed to find a mannequin?
Not yet, Jen. And I'm afraid I've got a baby spider monkey emergency at the moment. Any idea how I can quickly get to the top of the tree?
What about your backpack? You're always saying there's lots of useful things in there.
Great idea, Jen. I'll be back as soon as I can. Don't worry, I'm coming for you. A tape measure? How's this going to help me? Unless... Here goes. I hope this works. Oh, that was fun. Right then, little one. It's time to get you back down to your dad. No, not that way. Hold on. Whoa. Oh, thank goodness for that prehensile tail. Hang on a minute. I think he's stuck. He can't reach another branch with his hands or feet. And if he lets go with his tail, he'll fall. Oh. We need some expert help.
Dad! Dad, can you hear me? Up here! Your little one's in trouble!
Yes! I think he heard me. Here he comes. Ah, nice one, Dad. He'll be safe now.